Friends, see the amendment, that is section 276cc. This is prosecution in case of non-filing of return of income. If any SSE fails to file the return of income under section 139 subsection 1 or in response to notice issued under section 142 subsection 1, or else if SSE failed to file the return with response to notice issued under section 148, or else if any SSE fails to file the return for a notice issued under section 153A. So first one is 139(1), that is compulsory filing of return. 142 subsection 1, that is nothing but notice for SSE requiring to file ROI. 148, that is escaping assessment notice. 153A, such assessment notice. Friends, if you have received the notice, compulsory we have to file the return of income in response to that notice. Okay, if anybody has not filed the return, in that case prosecution provision under section 276cc shall be initiated. Okay, chalo. If the tax evasion or if the tax amount, the net amount of tax payable up to 3,000 rupees, then the prosecution is 0. So on materiality concept basis, up to 3,000, that is no imprisonment. For example, I need to pay 2,700 income tax and I have not filed a return. In that case also, there is no much prosecution for your info. Okay, but this attempt onwards, the amendment is as follows. This is 10,000 rupees limit. I repeat, if any SSE has to pay the tax amount of 10,000 and fail to file the return, in that case there is no question of prosecution. So up to 10,000 other consequences are applicable, but there is no consequences of section 276cc. Prosecution shall not be initiated if ever the tax payable or tax arrears are up to 10,000. Okay, so earlier it was 3,000, but it was amended as 10,000. Chalo, next one ma, about 10,000 but up to 25 lakh. So minimum 3 months, maximum 2 years imprisonment period. And if it is more than 25 lakh, minimum 6 months, maximum 7 years. Okay, chalo. I repeat, in case of subsequent as well as second failure onwards, that imprisonment generally 7 years. There is no minimum and maximum limit. Generally 7 years imprisonment shall be initiated. Okay, chalo. But another amendment ma, up to 10,000 tax evasion or up to 10,000 tax arrears, if any SSE fail to furnish the return of income, there is no question of prosecution. But this is applicable to all SSEs except corporate SSEs. So in case of companies, even the amount is less than 10,000 also, provisions of section 276cc will be initiated. But in case of other than companies, that is non-corporate SSEs, these 10,000 relaxation will be applicable. Okay, so this is the amendment as per the Finance Act 2019.